Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome and happy new year. I hope you guys had a very blessed 2018. Mine ended kind of rough, but I'm still here. So I know I've been gone for like a while and I've been kind of slacking, like I haven't really been consistent, but I'm trying to do better. So for today's video, I used some chunky glitter for the first time ever, and I'm actually really excited with how it turned out. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. So the prime, I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan. So for today's video, I'm using the 39A palette, and I'm going to pick up this color right here and begin putting it in my crease. And then next, I'm going to take this one right here. On the same brush, I'm going to pick up this kind of brownish but golden color and also blend this out. It looks orange, not gold. I'm going to tap into this dark brown right here and put that into my crease to kind of, not deepen, well yeah, deepen slash darken it up some. I dipped into my Princessa Azteca palette and picked up this yellow shade. I'm just gonna pop that up here to give it some more color. I'm gonna grab just a little bit of the matte black from the 39A palette and put that in my crease. So now I'm going to go back into this brown right here to kind of help me blend out the edges of the black. Go ahead and cut my crease halfway with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1, as you guys already know. I haven't done makeup in like 2 weeks, and I swear it's like I just lost my entire talent. Like, I've tried to record for y'all at least 3 times since I've been back in town, and I don't know what's been going on. I'm gonna use the angled brush to kind of clean that up. I'm gonna grab this color right here on the angled brush and just trace out my crease. So to blend out the outer corner, I'm gonna grab this color first and then grab this one. And then I think I put, it looks like I did, I added a little bit of black. I'm not going to dip into anymore actually. I'm just going to use what's left over on my brush. For my eyelid, I'm going to use this color right here and just pack that all over. I'm sorry if I can hear the heat in the background, but for glitter, I am gonna, well, for chunky glitter, I'm gonna take this gorgeous chunky glitter. I can't really show y'all because I literally just poured it all over my desk, but this gorgeous glitter by, it was Coats Cosmetics, but they changed their name to Midas Cosmetics, and they actually have a coupon code for you guys, so if you want to check out some of their chunky glitters. And they also have some fine glitters. I have a lot of them. They have some mix where it's fine glitter and chunky glitter mixed together. So yeah, I will put my coupon code on the screen, and it'll also be down below in the description box along with their website. So I'm gonna grab my NYX glitter primer and put that down first. So kind of over here, like right where we have the ombre going on. So I'm using this, I don't know what this is, but it's kind of like a brush. I mean, it's a brush. It's kind of like a sponge. I don't even know how to explain it, but I'm gonna just use it off the desk since I poured it everywhere, and just take it and just stamp it on my eye in random places. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the NYX glitter in the shade Bronze, and I'm just gonna apply it in between these little gaps, if that makes sense, so it doesn't just look like it's polka dots sitting on my eye. I'm gonna just take some and pour it in this container. So I'm taking some more glue, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it in between. And something you want to do is kind of drag the glitter or whatever, so it's not just a harsh line. And if you feel like your chunks kind of got lost, you can just go back and kind of snap. It actually makes more sense to do this part first, the loose glitter, and then go back and add the chunks on top. So my mascara transferred to my bottom waterline, but it's okay because I'm about to put on some eyeliner anyway. Why I say it like that? I already put on my eyeliner, but I'm going to take the matte black from the palette and kind of smoke it out. And I'm going to pick up this shade right here, and also kind of, well, I'm just going to use that to kind of blend this out. So I'm going to grab this color right here, and that is, let me readjust this, that is the same color I use for my highlights, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. So for my lips, I'm going to use this NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. And then for the actual lip color, I'm going to take Cinnamon Roll. This is their Butter Gloss. Okay, so I'm going to set my face really quick with the Morphe setting spray. Actually guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to those who like still support me like non-stop. I love you guys so much, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.